The BMW 5 Series has long been a benchmark for luxury sedans, blending performance, technology, and comfort in a package that appeals to American drivers seeking sophistication on highways and city streets. The latest generation, launched for the 2024 model year in the US, includes the G60 sedan, G61 touring wagon, and the G68 long wheelbase variant, primarily for other markets but influencing global parts sharing. While this 7th generation 5 Series promises cutting-edge features like advanced driver aids and a curvaceous design, early owners and reports highlight some reliability concerns, especially as used models with mileage start entering the market. For those eyeing a 2023 or 2024 BMW 5 Series with some miles on the odometer, understanding potential problems is crucial before committing to a purchase. These cars, priced from around $45,000 for a used 530i, with 20,000 miles up to $70,000 for low-mileage 540i or xDrive variants, carry BMW's reputation for engineering excellence but also its history of costly repairs. Let's dive into the common issues reported so far and what they mean for long-term ownership. One of the most frequently mentioned problems in the new 5 Series revolves around the infotainment system, powered by BMW's iDrive 8 operating system. Owners have reported glitches such as frozen screens, delayed responses to touch inputs, and connectivity issues with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, which can frustrate daily commuters relying on navigation and media. While software updates from BMW dealerships often resolve these, some used models might still exhibit bugs if not serviced promptly, potentially leading to distraction while driving on busy US interstates. Battery and electrical gremlins also crop up in early reviews of the 2023-2024 series. The mild hybrid setup in models like the 530i and 550e plug-in hybrid draws power from a 48-volt system, and there have been isolated cases of premature battery drain or faulty sensors causing warning lights to illuminate unexpectedly. For a used car with 30,000 miles or more, this could mean an unexpected $500 to $3,000 repair bill if the auxiliary battery needs replacement, emphasizing the need for a thorough pre-purchase diagnostic scan at a certified BMW technician. Engine reliability in the G60 lineup has been solid overall, with the turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder in the 530i and the 3.0-liter inline-six in the 540i, delivering smooth power without widespread failures yet. However, some owners note minor oil leaks from valve cover gaskets after 15,000 miles, a carryover issue from prior generations that BMW addressed in later builds. If you're considering a used 550e hybrid, watch for reports of the electric motor integration causing hesitation during acceleration, though this affects fewer than 5% of early units based on owner forums. Suspension and steering components present another area of concern for the 2025 updated 5 Series, particularly in xDrive all-wheel drive models popular in snowy US regions like the Midwest. The adaptive dampers, while providing a plush ride, have shown premature wear in high-mileage examples, leading to clunking noises over potholes and uneven handling. Replacing these air suspension parts can cost $2,000 to $4,000, so inspecting bushings and shocks during a test drive is essential for any pre-owned G60 with over 25,000 miles. Brake system complaints are minimal but worth noting, as the regenerative braking in hybrids sometimes feels grabby or inconsistent, potentially wearing pads faster in stop-and-go traffic, common in cities like Los Angeles or New York. Standard rotors and calipers hold up well, but used models might require a $800 to $1,200 refresh if driven aggressively. Always check for any NHTSA recalls, as BMW issued one in 2024 for potential brake fluid leaks in a small batch of 5 Series vehicles. Interior quality remains a strong suit, with premium materials like leather and sustainable fabrics holding up excellently, even in used cars. However, some early adopters report squeaks from the dashboard or door panels after 10,000 miles, possibly due to the lighter weight construction aimed at efficiency. These are cosmetic annoyances rather than deal breakers, fixable under warranty, or for under $500 at an independent shop. Fuel economy and emission systems are reliable, with the 530i achieving 25 to 27 mpg combined in real-world US driving, but diesel particulate filters in any rare diesel imports could clog if not maintained. For plug-in hybrids, The 550e offers about 30 miles of electric range, but battery degradation might reduce that to 25 miles after 50,000 miles, impacting resale value. Regular charging and software updates help mitigate this. Transmission reliability is a highlight, as the 8-speed automatic shifts crisply without the jerkiness seen in older BMWs. Yet, a few used 2023 models have experienced delayed engagement when cold, often traced to low fluid levels or sensor faults costing $500 to fix. High-mileage examples over 40,000 miles should have their torque converter inspected to avoid pricier overhauls. When evaluating reliability ratings, the 2024 BMW 5 Series scores above average in initial J.D. Power dependability studies, with fewer than 150 problems per 100 vehicles reported in the first year. This is an improvement over the G30 generation's middling scores, thanks to refined electronics and stronger build quality. However, long-term data is scarce since these are new, so projections based on BMW's track record suggest average reliability with proactive maintenance. For used buyers, Consumer Reports predicts the G60 will fare better than predecessors in electronics, but lag in repair costs, averaging $1,200 annually after warranty. Extended warranties from BMW, costing $3,000 to $5,000 for 5 years, are wise for models with 15,000 plus miles. Focus on certified pre-owned CPO vehicles, which start at $48,000 for a 2023 530y and include inspections covering these potential issues. Common red flags when shopping for a used 2023-2024 series include uneven tire wear indicating alignment problems, persistent check engine lights from emission sensors, or infotainment resets during startup. A professional inspection, ideally at a BMW specialist, costs $150 to $300, but can save thousands by uncovering hidden troubles like wiring harness chafing in the engine bay. Ownership costs extend beyond repairs. Expect $800 to $1,000 yearly for maintenance like oil changes every 10,000 miles using BMW's synthetic fluids. Tires for the standard 19-inch wheels run $1,000 a set, wearing quicker on performance-oriented models. Insurance averages $1,800 annually for a 40-year-old driver in the US, higher for the potent M550i variant. In terms of resale, the used 2023 5 Series holds 60 to 70% of its value after 3 years, better than luxury rivals like the Mercedes E-Class. Low-mileage examples under 20,000 miles fetch $52,000 to $65,000, while higher-mileage ones dip to $40,000. Market fluctuations in used luxury sedans make timing important, especially with interest rates affecting financing. Safety features bolster reliability perceptions, with standard adaptive cruise control and lane-keeping assist reducing accident risks. The 5 Series earned a 5-star NHTSA rating, though some used models might have software versions needing updates for optimal performance. Avoid cars with accident history, as frame repairs can compromise the chassis integrity. For families or executives, the G61 touring wagon offers practicality with 18 cubic feet of cargo space, but its rarity in the US used market means prices hover at $55,000 to $75,000. Problems mirror the sedan, but rear suspension linkages wear faster under load from hauling gear for road trips. Hybrid-specific concerns for the 550e include cooling system leaks affecting the battery pack, potentially a $4,000 fix out of warranty. Ensure the car has been charged regularly, as prolonged inactivity can lead to module failures. With federal tax credits up to $7,500 for new plug-ins, used hybrids depreciate faster but offer savings on fuel. Electronics beyond infotainment, like the digital gauge cluster, rarely fail but can glitch from software conflicts after updates. Head-up displays in premium trims sometimes dim erratically, a $1,000 sensor replacement. These are infrequent, affecting under 2% of units per early data. Cooling system reliability is good, with no major radiator or water pump issues reported yet, unlike the overheating woes in older 5 Series. However, monitor coolant levels in used cars from hot climates like Arizona, where expansion tanks crack after 30,000 miles for $600. Exhaust and catalytic converters hold up well under EPA standards, but aggressive tuning voids warranties and accelerates wear. Stock setups last 100,000 plus miles with proper care, Wiper and lighting systems are robust, though LED headlights and adaptive setups may flicker if voltage regulators fail, a $800 repair. Rain-sensing wipers occasionally overreact in humid southern states. Door handles and locks, now mostly electronic, have shown sticky mechanisms in cold weather, fixable with lubrication or $300 module swaps. Power seats adjust smoothly, but memory functions can reset, annoying for daily drivers. Climate control is efficient, maintaining cabin comfort without widespread compressor failures. Cabin air filters clog faster in polluted urban areas, needing $100 changes every 15,000 miles. Overall, the 2023 Plus BMW 5 Series demonstrates improved reliability over past generations, with most problems being software-related and resolvable via over-the-air updates. For used buyers, prioritizing low-mileage, well-maintained examples minimizes risks, ensuring this executive sedan delivers on its promise of refined driving. If you're in the market, test multiple units and budget for BMW's premium service network to keep it running flawlessly on American roads.